we have gone through all the projects which we have taken, and what are new projects which we must take up.
Okay. Earlier, you all were not satisfied with the CEO. After the discussion, as far as the CEO, the new smart city.
See, we want our work to be completed. That is important for us. Who's the CEO, who's the new CEO, old CEO, we have got no difference with anyone. So we want basically our work to be completed, and we have apprised the Chief Minister as far as Panjim is concerned, and what is important, those projects should be taken.
Okay, which are the projects you all have spoken in this meeting today? Which are projects?
So we had a review of all the projects, ongoing projects. So some projects we may shelve some projects, and some projects which we need for the city, which is more important for the city, those
which of these important projects could be like?
See now, as I told you, Sandini Nala, and this is one of the major projects. Then Ribandar area is completely been neglected. That is another project what we are doing. Underground cabling is going on only. And other beautification plans for Miramar.
Now these projects can start before your municipality elections take place, or what?
It is a process. I cannot tell you that my project is not for a particular cause. Because municipality election is coming, we are going to start something. There is nothing like that. We have got on our manifesto what we had to do for Panjim. We will see that our manifesto is implemented.
Okay. As far as health center, any further progress has happened taken place?
No, health center, the main portion of the hospital what we have asking for, we are yet to get a listing from the chief, not from the CM. So we will see, work is in progress. We will get it done. Okay.
स्मार्ट सिटीचे मिटिंगे हांव पयलीं फावटी आयल्लो. एक्चुली चेअरमॅन तातूंत CS उरता, पण बरेचशे प्रोजेक्ट म्हाका MLA खास करून रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो. ताचे बरेचशे रिव्ह्यू घेतले वेगवेगळ्या प्रोजेक्टांचे. प्रायोरिटी MLAच्या नुसार कित्याक दिवपाची किंवा मेयराच्या नुसार सिटीच्या नुसार कित्याक दिवपाची हें सगळें ठरलां. तांकां परत एकदां बसून म्हणजे चेअरमॅना बरोबर म्हणजे CS चेअरमॅन MD ऑफ द स्मार्ट सिटी हांकां सगळ्यांक बसून प्रायोरिटी खंयच्या प्रोजेक्टाक दिवपाची ह्या 3-4 म्हयन्या भितर एक प्रायोरिटी दिवन तांकां जे प्रोजेक्ट फुडें व्हरपाक जाय ताका प्रोविजन दिलां. स्मार्ट सिटी कडेन तसो फंड आसा करपा खातीर. ती सिटी डेव्हलपमेंट रिलेटेड जे वेरियस प्रोजेक्ट आसा ते तांकां घेवपाक लायल्या. आनी निश्चितच फुडल्या केन्ना तरी फॉर्मल मिटींग बोर्डाची जाय तशी नॉन बसून सुद्दां ते आपली मिटींग घेऊन प्रायोरिटी असलेले प्रोजेक्ट पुढे व्हरतात.
सेम माहिती ऑपोजिशन रिझल्ट चॅलेंज केलं की डॉक्युमेंट दाखवचे ऑन कोल इश्यू
दाखयता मागीर असेंब्लीन दाखयता.
यस Sir, municipality elections would be announced in another few months' time. How are you gearing up?
I am ready for municipality. I like, as I said, I am ready for the fight.
Okay.
As I said, BJP will get all the 30 seats this time.
No, but don't you think this time you have a difficult task, 30 or 60 in your camp?
It's better, no? So at least I've got a place to actually people to choose now.
Okay.
So and I don't see earlier what it used to be. We used to, for the past 3 terms, we always won the city elections. And the fight was only between BJP and us.
Okay.
So now we are together. So under the BJP thing, I think all the 36, and I'm confident all the 36 will win.
No, but anything like that Babush would like to see as far as performance and all of council has been giving them a ticket?
Definitely. We'll be having many new faces this time.
New faces?
Many.
Like out of 30, how many it could be?
80%.
Okay. So, out of